Finding a place to study can be hard sometimes, so it's key to make any place you are into a productive study environment. Tip 1. Remove distractions. Our phones can be a big distraction to us, so put your phone away and go study. Tip number 2. Block the noise.
He did what?
If it is too loud in an area, it'd be best to leave. However, you cannot always get to a quiet place alone. So in this case, block out the noise using headphones. Tip number 3. Make a list. Sometimes you can feel overwhelmed by your work. You have multiple classes that you have to study for, do projects, homework, and more. Making a list can help you see visually everything that you have to do for that day. One trick to making the list even more effective is numbering which ones are most important. By doing this, you can see which ones you need to have done first. And it's so satisfying to see that list completely crossed out. So next time you're studying, use these helpful tips to create anywhere and to a successful study environment.